Today we're making the most delicious roasted cherry tomatoes, and so let's do it. And so the first step for these lovely cherry tomatoes is to preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Right, so for today's recipe, we need a roasting tray. And the star of the show, some beautiful vine cherry tomatoes. Lay the tomatoes into the roasting tray. Tomatoes go in, and we want to leave these on the vine. If you ever smell tomato vines, they're absolutely incredible. The smell, the fragrance pretty much comes from the vine. The tomato itself doesn't really smell of anything. So it does impart some great flavour, a great perfume. Leave them on. And to the tomatoes, we want to add a few sprigs of some fresh thyme. The thyme is just going to perfume the tomatoes, so a decent amount. So get the herbs in the tray, and then just a couple of cloves of garlic. Don't peel them. We don't want it to burn at all. They're there just to perfume the oil, which will in turn perfume the tomato. Just give them a crush. Make sure you sort of open them out when you crush them. The garlic goes in, and then from there, extra virgin olive oil. Add a good glug of some extra virgin olive oil. Don't be shy with your olive oil. Season it. And you want to finish with a nice pinch of salt. With sea salt. Some freshly ground black pepper. And freshly ground black pepper. Once the seasoning is in, use your hands to rub the oil and the seasoning into the tomatoes, and then we're ready for the oven. And that is that. Very, very simple. These will now go into an oven set to 180 degrees. And basically you can roast them kind of as long as you want to a degree. You can try and retain some freshness and maybe give them 15-20 minutes until they just start to wilt and break down, or you can really give them a good old roasting so the juices basically start to almost turn into a sort of sauce. Really is up to you. Just keep them on the vines, into the oven, keep an eye on them, and take them out when you want. They're incredible, work with so many different things. This is also a great way of preparing tomatoes for a full English. So let's get them in the oven and roast them off. So once it's come up to heat, pop your tomatoes into the oven. And from there we want to roast them off, essentially for as long as you like, to a point. Here, I'm roasting them off for about 20 to 25 minutes. I always serve them on the vine. Look at those. Beautifully roasted and wilted down. Perfumed with those herbs and that garlic. They are delicious. The garlic will also be nice and soft and sweet, so stick those on the plate as well. I usually finish them off with a little drizzle of some extra virgin olive oil, and those are perfection. And there we have the most delicious roasted cherry tomatoes. Let's get stuck in. Absolutely delicious. Let's try it with a little piece of garlic there. They are unbelievable. It's like they melt in your mouth almost. It's like a little parcel of sauce. It's like all the insides of the tomato is kind of roasted into a marinara sauce. And with that garlic, they are just beautiful. Wow. And so I am going to polish these things off. If you could just do me a favour, hit that subscribe button below. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Give these a try, and I'll see you in the next one.